Aunt, you know very well I don't like to drink yogurt drink. And I don't know what water Sadashiv uncle must have mixed.
You're really strange. You came with us to hang out. So eat what everyone is eating, Siddharth.
That's impossible, Appa. Do you think Siddharth will ever change his nature? I better... I'm taking 2 glasses, one for me and the other for Shom. Shom, you take this. Let's go there and talk. Why are you standing here? Sit.
I'll be back soon.
Yes.
Uncle, Uncle,
Yes.
listen, do you have an extra earthen pot like this? And a stick also?
Why? What happened?
Please bring it, Uncle.
Wait. I'll get it.
Uncle, I never thought this girl will be so smart. She has cast a spell on Grandpa. Why will I not get angry? What do I get from this business?
Okay, lower your voice and just calm down. You'll get it. You'll get a lot. All you have to do is just stay calm. Som, whatever you are planning to do, do it secretly. Whatever you have in your heart, whatever you wish to say. Even if you say to Grandpa, nothing will happen.
I know, Uncle. You have already told me this. But I'm wondering how to get my old place back. This is what I plan to do. I didn't want to come for the festival this year. And Siddharth also takes Mithai's side. How will we handle her? Tell me.
What is Mithai doing there?
Let's go.
Mithai?
Yes?
What are you doing? Tell me.
Mithai, are you making salted lassi for your husband?
I learned how to make yogurt drink without adding water and sugar from Ballband Uncle in Chennai, you know. And we add a little black salt. Tastes awesome and is good for digestion. Why don't you all try it?
This is so strange. Shri, step aside. Mithai, have you come here to do all this, isn't it? Wait, I will just call your uncle. Hey, listen.
Aunt!
Nipa, what did you understand? Will you be able to prepare something separately for Ratul?
Don't worry. I'll arrange something tomorrow, understood? But you must play your moves in secret, okay?
Hey, you. You are here. I was looking for the both of you. What is the matter? Why are you shocked to see me? Were you hatching a
Did you hear
conspiracy?
that?
huh?
What are you saying?
Anyway, forget it. Listen, you will be shocked to know what's happening there.
What happened?
Mithai is preparing yogurt drink for Sid without adding water and sugar.
Huh?
Just imagine. How can it be made? I can't imagine. Come on, we'll see.
Yes, of course. Britain uncle, go ahead. I'll just check whether Grandpa has
Sure.
arrived.
What is wrong with Shom? Why did he walk away like this?
Nothing. You were saying you wanted to go
Mithai.
somewhere. Come, let's go. Come.
So, Mithai, this drink that you have prepared, will you go personally and serve this to Mr. Bittergod? I mean, you never know. He might change after drinking your drink. He's so boring.
Yes, Mithai. I will shoot a video when you serve him.
Mithai, I don't understand why are you doing all this?
Grandfather's grandson doesn't want to eat anything. Now, grandfather won't like it once he arrives. Sister Nanda, listen to me. Please give this to him.
Oh no, why me? Listen, you have prepared it, so you serve him. Nipa, Shri, Sandy, now you must take it.
No.
Hey, listen. Mithai, do you know the pleasure of serving your husband?
I have understood. You enjoy it when I get a scolding. Do I have to go?
Yes.
Lord, please help me. Oh, Lord, please help.
What is this? One more drink?
Hey, that is quite.
Wait, shh.
What I'm saying is this yogurt drink made without sugar. If someone wants to have it, they will like it.
Hey, stop right here.
What happened?
Tell him once again. Tell him,
What?
please, please, please.
Listen, this is yogurt drink without water and sugar. If someone wants to have it, they will like it.
Hey, listen, I'm not deaf. Don't be dramatic, okay? I'm working.
Oh no.
He drank it. He drank it.
Is your bitter gourd becoming sweet gradually? Tell me, Mithai.
Mr. Bittergourd and sweet. Can Bittergourd ever become sweet? No, that will never happen. Aunt, let's go.
Yes?
We have lots of
Hey,
work to
hey,
do.
you come along.
Okay. Hala party.
Tell me.
Follow me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me sit.
Sweetheart, sit here. Listen, friends.
Tell us.
Tomorrow to celebrate the festival,
Yes.
Siddharth and Mithai will bathe in red color thanks to the Halla party.
Oh wow.
What?
Yes. We'll execute this operation over the phone. And everything will be controlled by Halla party. Ready?
Yes, ready.
That's better.
Hey, what happened? Start the slogan. I'll set the fire. Mithai?
Oh, yes, of course. Where is Mithai? Mithai? Look, Siddharth is sitting so far. He doesn't want to have fun at all.
You need to overdo everything, right, Mom? I mean, we all will have to wait for that girl, right? Impossible.
Hey dad, hey brother, don't worry about her. She works alone all day. Hey Opa, do you know where Mithai is?
I'll just go and check. Mithai?
Hey, Mithai.
Hey, all of you call her. Hey, Mithai.
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 Mithai?
Mithai?
Hey Mithai!
Mithai?
Yes,
Yeah,
Mithai.
here she comes.
Everyone said that they want to eat grilled potato. Before setting fire, don't we have to put the potatoes
Hey,
inside?
look at that. All of us had forgotten about this.
Oh, yes, I had hoped to eat grilled potatoes tonight. Thank you, Mithai. Thank you.
Sandy, come on, start. It will take time to grill.
Hey, hold your horses, otherwise everyone will jump to eat grilled potatoes.
Okay, someone please call Sid. How long will he sit there?
Nanda, has Siddharth ever participated in all this? Oh no, it's so hot, Appa. Just look at the weather here. It looks like it might rain tomorrow, then we can't celebrate at all.
Be quiet, Sulata.
But-
what are you saying? Now mom will say that you're talking too much. Be quiet.
Hey, Opa.
Yes?
Mother hasn't uttered a single word. Don't blame me unnecessarily.
Mom, what did you do? Your daughter was planning to create a scene and you have destroyed it completely.
Yes, that's why. You are absolutely right. Uncle, you are absolutely correct. That's why, Uncle, I'm unable to give any role to grandma and aunt in my serial.
Hey, there's no need to give any role to grandma. First, see who is your hero. And your hero is me.
Hey, Brother Sandy, tell me on time, okay?
What do you mean to say? Will you take a picture here as well?
Oh my, now I can't even take a picture.
Oh, yes, it's done. Hey, Sandy, be ready.
Yes,
Now
I'm ready.
We will sing,
Yeah.
hold hands. Everyone, come on.
Hey, hold hands. Hold hands.
What is all this?
Hey, do as she is asking you to. Hold hands. Fun is going out of our life.
Yes.
People don't have time.
Dad, I always listen to you. These are the times when we feel that all of us are one big family. Hey, Mithai, start. Mithai is starting. Okay, everyone? Say it's okay.
Hey, Siddharth, I am asking you for the last time. Are you interested in eating grilled potato, huh?
Brother, what are you saying?
He's the Anglo one from the Bengali mom. That's the reason I had to spell it out to him. Grilled potato. Will you eat it?
Rajiv,
Yes.
leave Siddharth alone.
Yes, he'll manage everything himself.
He's already going through a lot. Sandeep, you start.
Sandy, I'll help you.
Yay!
Today we will grill. Tomorrow is our color festival. It's a full moon night. Hey, Lord!
Today we will grill. Tomorrow is our festival.
Yeah.
Hey, Lord! Today we will grill. Tomorrow is our festival. It's a full moon night. Hey, Lord! Today we will grill. Tomorrow is our festival. It's a full moon night. Hey, Lord! Today we will grill. Tomorrow is our festival. It's a full moon night. Hey, Lord! Tomorrow is our festival. It's a full moon night. Hey, Lord! Today.
Listen, Sadashiv uncle, bring the stick. I have to take out the grilled potatoes.
Here you go.
Give.
Take the stick. Take out the potatoes.
Yes.
I'm going inside. I have some work.
We can't delay anymore. We have to prepare the dinner.
Yes,
Come
yes,
on,
it's
let's
quite
go.
late.
Dad, let us go inside then.
Come on, let's go.
You also come, Amaresh.
Mithai,
Yes.
we are going inside.
Dad?
Huh?
What are you going to do here? You two go inside. We'll check on the grilled potatoes.
Shom,
Where?
what?
Be ready for tomorrow. You must stay close to me. Will you remember that?
Mithai, everyone went inside. You should go too.
Yes, yes.
No. How can I go? These grilled potatoes have to be taken out on time. You all go inside, I will come. We will eat grilled potato for dinner. It tastes so good. Yummy.
Yes, Ratul. Let's go. We will eat Mithai's special grilled potato for dinner. You never know. Our Mr. Bitter God might have the grilled potato like he had the drink.
What?
Yes.
I have an idea. We should have put some bitter gourds along with the
Oh
potatoes.
my.
Mr. Bittergourd would surely have enjoyed the bitter gourds. Mithai, why do you talk so much? Disgusting.
We should go now. Yes, let's go.
Let's
Come.
go. Let's go.
Why?
Let's go.
Where are you going? Wait. Ah. Oh no.
Hey, wait. Stop.
Yes.
Okay, Sandy,
Tell me.
how does Mr. Bittergoat turn up at the right place at the right time?
Yes.
Mithai, have you lost it? Why did you put your hand inside? There could have been a big accident here. It's become completely red. Everyone here was having a good time, but you couldn't bear that, right? You have to do something or the other nonsense. You wait, sit here, I'm coming.
Oof. Ah. Ah.
Where is the medicine?
Oh.
Wait. Hey, quiet.
Where is it?
Ah.
Okay. Yeah,
Huh?
take it and apply.
What? Oh. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Wait. Hold on.
What? No. It's hurting.
It's an ointment. Apply, please. Why are you rubbing with your left hand? It is dirty. Oh no. What are you doing? It's disgusting. Wait. Hold on. Show me your hand.
Yes, it's hurting.
Yeah, slowly. I know it is hurting.
Ah.
Again, you're scared?
Halla party.
Yes.
Come here. Listen, we have to give a color bath to Mithai and Siddharth at any cost. And this operation will be controlled by the Halla party.
Yes.
So, Operation Siddharth, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
That's better. Mithai dances quite well, isn't it?
Brother Rajiv,
Yes.
what exactly were you trying to tell Mr. Bittergourd?
I was telling Mr. Bittergourd that.
What did you tell?
Move aside, let me sit.
What? What did you say to him?
I told Mr. Bittergourd that. I told Mr. Bittergourd that Mithai dances quite well. No, don't giggle. There's nothing to laugh about. Listen, yesterday he personally applied ointment on her hands. Today he was secretly watching her dance from here. I'm telling you, everything is fine now.
So what should we do now?
I think you are assuming too much. You know my brother. You will see, nothing will come out of this ultimately.
Hey Shri, don't always say such negative things. I just don't like it. We will definitely manage to unite them. What do you say?
Of course. And if we can unite them, then who will be the happiest?
Who?
Shri, who else? Oh no! I completely forgot.
What did you forget?
I haven't clicked a single photograph. I better go.
Oh, oof.
Actually, I think I too love Mithai very much. Just the way my grandpa does. That is the cause of my problem.
Me too, Shri. Mithai is a very sweet girl. It seems like she is my own sister. Maybe because we don't have any sister. That's why I feel.
Hey!
What?
Brother Ratul, let's go. Grandfather is calling you. Hurry up and go. Sister Shri,
Yes.
where is Sister Nipa?
She went down to click pictures.
She went downstairs.
Yes.
Oh, all right, I better go.
Okay, go slowly. Carefully, don't rush.
Careful.
What's the hurry?
You come on, come on.
I'll be coming. Go. Yes.
Hey, Sri. Don't worry so much. Everything will be fine. Have faith in me.